You've been driving your car for years. But what if I told you there are features hidden right under your nose that could save you time, keep you safer, and even boost performance, and your dealer never told you about them? These aren't futuristic gadgets. They're real, useful, and tucked inside everyday cars, often intentionally kept quiet to avoid warranty calls or customer confusion. Today we're uncovering 15 hidden car features that even most owners never discover. Some are secret functions, some are clever hacks built into your car's electronics, and a few, pure genius, if you know where to look. Most drivers think their key fob only locks and unlocks the doors. But in many cars, especially from Honda, Ford, Toyota, and Volkswagen, if you hold the unlock button for 3 to 5 seconds, all the windows will roll down automatically. Perfect for hot days. Cool down the cabin before you even step inside. Now, let's talk about the hidden fuel cap holder. Ever finish pumping gas and let the fuel cap dangle? Bad move. It scratches your paint and damages the tether. Look closely. Many fuel doors have a built-in holder or hook just inside. It's designed to keep your cap secure and almost no one uses it. Moving on, adjustable seatbelt anchors. Tired of your seatbelt cutting into your neck? There's probably a fix, and it's built in. Most cars allow you to raise or lower the seatbelt anchor on the B-pillar. It's not just for comfort, it's a safety feature. And almost no one adjusts it. Now here's another one. The secret rear-view mirror switch. Ever blinded at night by headlights behind you? Your rear-view mirror has a secret lever or button that flips it into night mode, reducing glare. In newer cars, it's automatic. In older ones, it's manual, but shockingly underused. Foldable rear headrests are another cool feature for better visibility. Many SUVs and sedans have rear headrests that fold down with a button. It's designed to increase rear visibility when no one's in the back seat. Check your seat top or dashboard menu, you might have a button for it. Now let's talk about the turn signal tap for lane changes. Brake override system, also known as a hidden safety mechanism, is something most drivers don't even realize they have. When you press the brake and gas pedals at the same time, the system makes sure the brakes take priority, which is a big help in emergencies. Alright, so did you know that most modern car key fobs actually have a hidden emergency key inside? Yeah, just in case your fob's battery dies, you can open it up and pull out a physical key. It's a pretty handy backup that a lot of folks don't realize is there. Here's a cool little trick. If you look at your fuel gauge, you'll probably see a tiny arrow next to the gas pump icon. That arrow actually points to the side of your car where the gas cap is located. Super useful, especially if you're driving a rental or a new car and you're not sure which side to pull up to at the pump. So this one's a bit of a game changer. Automatic rain sensing wipers. A lot of cars have them now, but you might not even realize it. Basically, these wipers can detect how much rain is hitting your windshield and adjust their speed automatically. It's just one less thing to worry about while you're driving in the rain. Alright, let's talk about accessing the cabin air filter behind the glove box. So you'll usually find the filter right behind the glove compartment. Just open up the glove box, gently release the stops, and lower it down. From there, you can easily slide out the old filter and pop in a new one. It's honestly a pretty simple process, but it can make a big difference in your air quality. Next up is the auto hold feature for traffic stops. Basically, when you're stopped in traffic, you can activate auto hold with the press of a button. Once it's on, the car holds the brakes for you so you don't have to keep your foot on the pedal. It's super handy in stop-and-go situations and just makes things a bit less stressful. And finally, let's cover speed-dependent volume control. This feature automatically adjusts your audio volume based on how fast you're driving. As your speed increases, the system raises the volume to compensate for road noise, and when you slow down, it brings the volume back down. You can usually tweak these settings in the infotainment system to match your preferences. So, here's something a lot of folks miss. The window lock button doesn't just block the rear windows, it can actually affect the door locks too. This little feature's got more power than you might think. If your car has remote start, did you know you can actually preset the climate? In the summer, it cools down the cabin for you, and in winter it'll blast heat to defrost everything before you even get in. It's a small thing, but honestly, it makes a huge difference. Your car is honestly smarter than you think, but dealers won't explain half of these features because, well, fewer questions mean faster sales for them. Now that you know these tricks, you'll drive safer, cooler, more comfortably, and heck, you might even save money on unnecessary repairs. So, here's what I want you to do. Hit the like button if you learned at least one new thing. Comment below with your favorite hidden feature, or, share one we missed. And don't forget to subscribe to Gear Specs for more faceless car hacks, mechanical secrets, and ownership tips nobody else will tell you. Because smart drivers don't just drive, they unlock every advantage hidden in their cars.